How to start a blog that can be easily monetized. Many persons have ideas, they have things they want to share with the world through blogging, through writing, through creating content on a blog. But the question they are asking is, how do I start? How can I create that blog that I can monetize and make money online? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Emmanuel here, and I'm excited to have you back on the channel as usual. I hope you are doing great today, and I hope you are staying safe and taking care of things around you. All right, today we are looking at how to start a blog that you can easily monetize and begin making money from your idea. If you are here to subscribe, go ahead, click on that subscribe button, and remember to like and share the video. And of course, let's go deep into the topic: how to start a blog. Number one, for you to start a blog, you must have an audience. All right, you must have a niche. So you need to choose a niche, choose an area you want to focus on. Which audience do you want to communicate with? What are you writing about? Because the content you are going to create, the blog post you are going to create, somebody will read it, and it's not everybody that is interested in it. That is why you must narrow it down to a niche. You must choose, you must define the audience you are trying to communicate with. Who are the people? Who are they? Which industry? Right? So that's the first thing you need to figure out. Okay? Figure that out. Once you figure that out, then you've done the first thing. Okay? The second thing you need to do is you need to choose a name for your blog. A name means that because you're going to have a website, you need to choose a name. What is this your blog going to be answering? Right? The name is very, very important because that will be the brand, that will be the image of the blog. Okay, that will be the image of the blog. So choose a name, and after you have chosen a name, that's the second thing. The number three thing is you need to register the name. You need to register the name. That means you're going to register a domain name for the blog, and after registering the domain name, you're also going to buy what is called hosting, because your content is going to sit somewhere, right? You need to register it and buy your hosting. Okay, number four is you need to decide on the content management system to use, and I recommend WordPress. WordPress is very easy for anybody to understand and use. So there are so many content management systems, but the best of them all that powers about 1/3 of the whole of the website online is WordPress. Very simple, open source. You don't need to pay money. It's totally free. So it's very easy to understand. There are so many videos I've made on how to use WordPress. You can check the playlist, you can check the videos, and you will see how to make it. So install WordPress. That's the next point. Install the content management system, which is WordPress. Okay. Number five is, after installing, you need to customize your blog with a premium theme to make it professional, look professional. If you use a free theme, it's not going to look that good, right? To make it very professional and very easy for you, you use what is called a premium theme. Right? I'm going to leave in the description links to where you can buy your domain name, register your domain name, and of course your hosting. And of course your premium theme, I'm also going to leave a link to Theme Forest where you can buy a theme for your blog. You choose anyone that is okay, that appeals to you, and you just download and install and customize your blog. It's going to look very professional. It's going to look beautiful. People will wonder, how do you create this? Okay, so customize your blog with a premium theme. That's number five. Number six is brainstorm on topics. You're going to write. You've created a blog. You need to write. So what are you going to be writing on? Remember, whatever you're going to write on should be something that people will be interested in. Even though you want to enjoy yourself and have fun creating content, you should also know that if you're going to monetize that blog, somebody will have to read it. Somebody will have to be part of. Somebody will have to visit that your website continuously to read what you are publishing before you can actually be paid money for it. So whatever you're going to be writing, let it be something that people will be interested in. And there are several ways you can get topics on what to write on. You can get it from YouTube. People are asking how to. You can get it on Google search, right? You can get it from platforms like Quora where people ask questions, right? You can get it from several places. You can get it from groups, Facebook groups where people are asking questions in line with your audience, in line with your niche, in line with the area you have chosen. So those problems that people are having will become a topic for you to write on. Right? When you write, you solve that problem, you bring more people to your blog. So brainstorm on the topics. That's number 6. Number 7 is go ahead, start writing. Start creating the content. Start creating your blog posts. Right? Start writing about those things you have, identified. Right? The next thing, number 8, is to create a content calendar. Right? Most people start writing, and when they start, after some time they stop because there's no calendar. If you start, you must maintain a consistent calendar. It's very, very, very important. If you want to start by writing once in a month, there's no problem. You can start gradually. After some time, you can increase it to twice a month. After some time, you can increase it to 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 8 times, as the case may be. But by all means, make sure you are consistent. That is the only way the blog is going to grow. If you publish today and the next time you publish is next year, you aren't going to make a cover from it and it will not grow. So create a content calendar and stick to it. And of course, you can always adjust it, as you gather momentum. All right. Number 9 is increase traffic to your blog. I have made a video on how to increase traffic to your blog. And if you look at the top right corner of this video, you're going to see the link to that video, how to increase traffic to your blog. Go through that video and implement everything I've listed there to increase traffic to your blog. And finally, number 10 is to monetize your blog. Now that you have increased traffic, you are having consistent 1,000 visitors every month, it's time to monetize it. You can do that through Google AdSense. All right? Sign up and Google will start placing adverts on your blog and start paying you some dollars. So guys, that is how to start a blog that you can easily monetize. If you have found value in the video as usual, remember to subscribe if you have not, and of course like, share the video, and make sure you comment if there's anything you want us to talk about, and of course tell your friends about it, tell your family about it, and let everybody come and let's continue to enjoy knowledge. And I will see you again in the next video.